I'm uploading this video to share an update regarding our Ganja Laboratory Token or the Ganja Token. Now, for a quick recap, the Ganja Token or the Ganja Laboratory Token is the second cryptocurrency project which launched on the Sologenic decentralized exchange and wallet. Okay, now the official x.com account of the Ganja Token currently has 2,522 followers. So if we're going to check on their latest update, basically we're awaiting for another airdrop of Ganja Laboratory Tokens. Okay, so this means that for as long as we're able to set up the trust line for the Ganja Laboratory Token and we're able to add the Ganja Laboratory Token as an additional asset on our Sologenic DEX and wallet, we can expect ourselves to receive another set of airdrop of unallocated 1 billion Ganja tokens. Okay, so please note that this airdrop for the Ganja Laboratory Token is not based on XRP held on our Sologenic DEX and wallet. Okay, as long as we're able to add the trust line for the Ganja Laboratory Token on our Sologenic DEX and wallet, we can definitely be eligible for this airdrop with an allocation of 1 billion Ganja tokens. Okay, amazing. If I'm going to log into my actual Sologenic DEX and wallet and check on the upcoming airdrops, I can really see here that there's an upcoming airdrop for Ganja tokens. The supply, it's really 1 billion Ganja tokens. So if we're going to click on this one, the airdrop date is dated November 1, 2023 at 3 o'clock a.m. Okay, so we can monitor the dates 31st of October until November 1 and see if we're able to receive airdrops, okay, for Ganja Laboratory tokens respectively, okay, on our Sologenic DEX and wallet. Now on the airdrop details, we can see here that the airdrop for the Ganja Laboratory tokens for solo holders has been completed, and secondly, we've allocated a whopping 1 billion Ganja tokens to be airdropped to all trust line members in the XRPL community. Okay, so if we're going to click on the instructions button here, it will simply redirect to the official Twitter account or x.com account, which we have just read earlier. Okay, so all this information I'm providing you right now are definitely correct and accurate. Okay, if we're going to check on the details of the Ganja Laboratory Token, the Ganja token only has 6,559 trust lines added. Okay, and from the 6,559 trust lines, only 2,716 are actual holders of the Ganja token. Okay, so this is my actual Sologenic DEX and wallet, and you can see here that I have set up the trust line for the Ganja token, and I have added it as an additional asset on my Solo DEX and wallet. Now guys, a disclaimer statement for our Involve Asia and Crypto Sports channel. All the information on our website is published in good faith and for general information purpose only. Any action that you take upon the information you find on our website, Involve Asia and Crypto Sports channel, is strictly at your own risk. Okay? More fruitful gains everyone. I'll see you again on our next vlog.